Hey guys, what's up everyone? How are you people doing? Welcome to today's session. What's up Manoj? Hi Naman. Hi Nityagya. Hi Siddhant. Hi Rupa. Hi Ditya. Hi Shizuka. Okay. Hi Shivam. Hi Rupa. Hi Manoj. Welcome. How are you guys doing? Good evening everyone. What's up? How are you guys doing? Long time no see. I mean, this is the first ever ICSE live session, I believe. Welcome to today's session. How are you people feeling today? All good? How was your day so far? How many of you guys got scolded? How many of you guys are like, yeah, I am not feeling so well. So my energy is going to be a little low because and I'm just still recovering since yesterday. I've been really sick. But yes, guys, welcome to today's session. Hi, Naman. Welcome. I'm good. Aditya. Thank you for asking. Now, welcome back. So how are your ICSE preparations going? I know the struggle. I've been there. So I know what the struggle is like. I know the struggle is real. Shout out to all of you guys. Hoping that you guys are coping up with it. So people, let us now get started with today's session. Can I get a quick yes in the chat box, people? Or let's say, give me a quick oh yeah in the chat box if you guys are all ready. Oh yeah. Yeah, ready, excited, good to know, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you. I'm recovering. I'm still recovering. Still, that's why my energy is going to be a little low because of the fact that I'm still recovering. So please forgive me if I sound a little low. All right. Thank you, people. All right, people. So people, today we'll be doing a revision of two different, not just revision. We'll be solving questions of two different chapters. That is force as well as machines. I know these are two different chapters, but we'll be combining them and solving questions based on that. So, but before we get started, guys, let me start off with the quote as always. Every session since you've been seeing it, we have a quote, and the quote for today is this: if you put in the time plus effort, you will see the results. And yes, I don't think there's anything more clearer than that. Only if you put in the effort to do something, that is when you get the effort. If that is when you see the results. Or if you don't put in the effort or the time, then you can't, you all you'll do is just sit and complain that you did everything but you could not do it right, or you are not able to, or you're not satisfied with the results. But yeah, that is life. Anyways, so people, these are the topics that we did in force. First we'll do force, then we'll do with we'll start out with machines. So first we talked about torque and couple, equilibrium and principle of moments. Numericals on torque and couple, torque and principle of moments we did about center of gravity. We understood about uniform circular motion and centripetal force as well. Now there are two important formulas that I want you guys to remember. That is one of torque, which is represented as tau, is equal to force into the perpendicular distance. That is the first formula that you have to remember. The second formula is regarding the principle of moments. So principle of moments at equilibrium is basically nothing but the clockwise moment is equal to anti-clockwise moment. So that is the two formulas that the entire chapter is actually based on. Majority of the questions will be asked from these two, based on these two formulas itself. So principle of moments at equilibrium, the clockwise moments is equal to anti-clockwise moment, and tau, which is nothing but torque, is equal to force into the perpendicular distance. So these are the two formulas that I want you guys to remember. All right. So yes, guys, in the last session of force, I'd actually given you a homework. I know how many of you guys did it. How many of you guys did this, How many of you guys did this homework in the last session? Give me a quick yes in the chat box. Tell me frankly. It's okay. I'm not gonna scold you people. It's okay. How many of you guys did this homework? You did, Althea. Nice. All right. So the question was this, people: is it possible to have an accelerated motion with a constant speed, and name such type of motion? Is it possible to have an accelerated motion with a constant speed? Now, I understand that there'll be a little confusion over here. So how can you have acceleration if the velocity is not changing? So guys, if you think about, yes, it is possible only if the body is moving in a uniform circular motion. So when the body is moving in uniform circular motion, I told you that when the body is moving in a circular direction, the velocity is changing at each and every point because the direction is changing. The direction is nothing but the tangent. So because the direction is changing, the velocity is changing. So because velocity is changing, you can say that the body is accelerating. And yes, the speed can be constant in this case, because speed does not, we don't care about direction at all. So you can say that the speed is constant and yet the body is accelerating. Because see, when you say acceleration, no, we have only talked about the magnitude of velocity, but we have never talked about direction before. Here we have to consider the direction as well, because the magnitude is the same, but the direction is changing at each and every point. So the right answer would be yes, that is an uniform circular motion. So these are the guys who gave the right answer. Well, people, we have Prince Patwa, Sahana, Suhas, Nityagya once again. Then we have Sai Krish, Ankur, and Nityagya once again. Alright, so these are the guys who actually ended up giving the answer fast in the comment section below. Next time, if you want your name, subscribe to the channel and answer the question as soon as you can. Alright, people, so with that said, let us now enter the realm of Menti quiz. Everyone, quickly log into the website www.menti.com. Quickly, guys, give me a quick yes once you're done. Don't leave this thing because I'll be telling the answer in the in the session. So please make sure that you are you're in the session as well and join the Menti. Come on, quickly, guys, come on. The code for today is this 6379371. You can see that on your screen. The top corner, you can see that 6379371. Join the website www.menti.com and enter this code. Come on, quickly. Quickly is. I say, alright, Swara. Alright, it's okay, it's alright, Swara. No worries. Give it a shot, see how it goes. And then if you have any doubts, do let me know, alright? Okay, guys, come on, quickly, guys. Done? Alright, examinations, updates. Alright. So about 24 of you guys are here already. There are about 46 of you guys in the session. So I want everyone to join it, quickly join it so that we can get started. Alright, the code once again is 3637931. And the website is www.menti.com. menti.com. Quickly, guys, so that we can, proceed, because there are two sessions, two chapters at one shot, so there's a lot to do, and the problems might take a little long for me to solve as well, so we need to think about that. Yes, Melvin, I do. Abhishek sir was my class was my classmate, so yes, I do love him. He was my classmate. We all studied engineering together. Alright, come on, guys. And I'll give it another 5 more seconds. All those who haven't joined, quickly do it, guys. Yes, Danaman. Why not? Take it a shot. Give it a shot. Let's see how it goes. Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hi, Pranjal. Hi, Ayush. Hi, Manoj. Welcome. So, people, let us get started. Here's the first question on your screens right now. Let's go. The first question. Okay, ABC are 3 forces, each of magnitude 4 Newton, acting in the plane of paper as shown in the figure. Point O lies in the same plane. What is the resultant torque about O? So you see that there's a point O and all these forces are acting about a simple paper. Your options are, your question is, what is the resultant torque acting about O if A is 0.9 meters away from the center and all of the magnitude of all these forces are the same, it's 4 Newton itself. B is 0.8 meter from the center, that is O, and C is 0.6 meters from O. You're supposed to calculate what is the total moment. Your options are 4 Newton meter clockwise, 4 Newton meter anti-clockwise. Your third option is 4.4 meters and clockwise and 4.4 meters anti-clockwise direction. Go for it, guys. I'm going to give you another 40 seconds. Go for it. Let me know what is the answer. Come on. Guaranteed CHS. All right. Daya Shankar. All right. So I can claim the guarantee, if you get it wrong. Yes, I do, Melvin. I do. Easier, I know. It's the first question. Let's warm up. No, even cricketers have to warm up before. So it's okay. Warm up your brain a little. It's alright. Guys, can you guys see the option? If you can't see the option, then I'll reduce the screen size a little bit more. I'll reduce my window a little bit more so that you can see the options also clearly. We'll just give you another 10 more seconds. Yeah, Aditya, you always have my blessing. Don't worry. Roasted Harsha. What happened? Anyways. 28 of you guys gave the right answer. Hats off, people. Well done. That's an amazing start. 11 of you guys going with option number A, 8 for option B, and 2 for option C, D as well. However, the right answer, guys, is actually option number A. How did you come to that conclusion, guys? See, guys, I told you that torque is nothing but, what is torque? Torque is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. They've given you the magnitude of all the force. If this is also 4 Newton, this is 4 Newton, this is 4 Newton, this is also 4 Newton. Now, here's the thing. You have to consider when the moment is clockwise direction, you have to consider it as negative. The torque is said to be negative. If the moment is anti-clockwise, then the torque is said to be positive. Alright, so clockwise moment, you get negative torque. If the moment is anti-clockwise, then you get positive torque. Now, here, if you think about it, A and B is creating clockwise moment, whereas C on the other hand is creating anti-clockwise moment. So just calculated force into perpendicular distance. For the first one, it'll be minus 4 into first 0.9 for A. Then the second one minus 4 into 0.8 for the second one. And third one will be 4 into 0.6. What is the 9 into, it'll be 9 3 36, so it'll be 3.6. Minus 8 4 is 32, so minus 3.2. And 4x is 24, so 2.4. So if you subtract it, you'll get it as minus 6.8 plus 2.4. You'll get it as 4.4 minus, which means that the moment is going to be in clockwise direction. All right. So the answer to this question, guys, the torque would be in 4.4 Newton meter clockwise direction. Did you guys understand this? The first question, is everyone clear? Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead, guys? Is it clear? Clear. All good? All right, people. Okay. Let's go. All right, guys. Okay, I'm going to go on to the next one. Second question, people. Second question. So here is the leaderboard, by the way. Nobody asked for the leaderboard. So yeah, I'm going to show it to you anyways, because I have to, or else you guys will start doing all these, what to say, strike and all. Anyways, we have Inam, then we have Prasoon, Nityagya, Watson, Arush, Sahana, Jojo, Vroom, and Ashutosh and Keshav. What an interesting name and all that. Sir, what is an app? Close up K first. Alright. Anyways, so that is what is the leaderboard like for the first question. Moving on to the second question, guys. Let's take a look at this one. Now, everyone keep a pen and paper ready, because all of these are problems. Obviously, you should have your pen and paper ready. Here's the second question. A wheel of diameter 2 meter is shown in the figure with an axle at O. A force of 2 Newton is applied at B in the direction shown in the figure. Calculate the moment of force about the center O and the point A. Alright, your options are 2 Newton meter clockwise and 4 Newton meter anti-clockwise, 2 Newton meter anti-clockwise and 4 Newton meter clockwise, 2 Newton meter anti-clockwise and 4 Newton meter anti-clockwise again, and 2 Newton meter clockwise at 4 Newton meter clockwise. Which of these options are correct? So the force is put or is applied about that point B. You're supposed to calculate what is the moment about O and about the point A, and the diameter of the circle is given as 2 meter. A very simple question, very straightforward question. Let's see how many figures get this right. 40 seconds. All those who are not joined the Menti, quickly join, guys, www.menti.com and enter the code 6379371 and you'll join the Menti. Quickly do that. Come on. I am at home, Dayush. Where else will I be? Quarantine time. Where else will I be? I can't carry my laptop around in the streets of Bangalore. No, it's not possible. Alright, come on, guys. Hi, Harshil. Welcome. So, one song for your students. Let's see now. If you are able to complete it on time, then we'll play one song towards the end. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let me know what is the answer. 12 more seconds. Alright, let's see. If you are able to complete on time, because generally I've seen that every single time I end up exceeding that 1 hour mark, and I have a session right after this, so it gets a little hard for me to take up your doubts also. But nonetheless, guys, here is your okay. 22 of you guys went with option number A. The magnitude is correct, but the direction is wrong. The direction is given as clockwise and anti-clockwise. That's why you guys went wrong. 14 of you guys won't really be able to get the right answer. It's all right, guys. The answer is very straightforward, very direct. I don't think there's any calculation needed at all. Again, what is torque? Force into the perpendicular distance. So what is the perpendicular distance from here to here? That is nothing but the radius of the circle. If the diameter of the circle is 2 meter, the radius is going to be 1 meter. They've clearly mentioned the diameter is 2 meter, so the radius is going to be 1 meter. So what will be the torque about the point O? It will be 2 into 1, which will give you 2 Newton meter. Absolutely. For the second one, however, about point A, that means I have to find out the diameter. Diameter is already given. It's 2 into 2. 2 meters is the diameter. So I'll get it as 4 Newton meter. But the direction, both of them are clockwise. It's about this point also it's clockwise. About this point also it's clockwise. Alright. That is the only mistake that you guys did. But the value is correct. But yes, guys, look about all of these things also. You might end up losing marks because of all these silly mistakes that you do. But yes, try to avoid it. Alright. That is the whole point of this session. Here is your leaderboard. Nonetheless, guys, let's see how many of you guys were able to give the right answer for this question. Unfortunately, Inam and Prasoon chose the wrong answer. So because that from first they end up becoming the last. Ashutosh, Jojo, Sayan, high five to you, Dada. Then you have Keshav, then Abracadabra rule. 6379371. Sushin, Manoj, Inam, and Prasoon as well. Interesting names. Alright, third question, guys. Let's go on to the third question. Let's take a look at this one. Let's see what the third question is like. Here we go. Everyone be ready. Ready? Hi, Krishna Indu. Welcome. Hi Arshal, yes David, I'm a Malayali. Here's the question. A uniform meter scale can be balanced at the 70 centimeter mark when a mass of 0.05 kg is hung from 94 centimeter mark. Draw the diagram of the arrangement first. I know that you can't show the diagram, but try to do it for your own, your own satisfaction, and find the mass of the meter scale. Your options are 0.02 kg, 0.03 kg, 0.05 kg, and 0.06 kg. 1 minute time, guys. Go for it. Calculate it. Let me know what is the answer. Your options are once again 0.02 kg, 0.03 kg, 0.05 kg, and 0.06 kg. You're supposed to find what is the mass of the meter scale. They've given you that it's it's balanced at 70 centimeter mark, and there's a mass of 0.05 kg which is hung at 94 centimeter mark. Now come on guys, let me know what is the answer. Is Ayush? Let's see. Ayush, you're on the you're also doing it in the Menti also, no? Hi Shreyas, welcome. Hello. Welcome. Come on guys, 20 seconds, 20 more seconds. Alright. Shom says A. Examination says A. Alright. Exactly, guys. Come on, answer the question as soon as you can. The more faster you answer, the more points you get. Simple funda, nothing else. All right. I know that you guys don't spam so much. Do you think they're going to listen to you? Yeah, I can try, but it's like talking to a wall. Hi Rajesh, thanks a lot, buddy. Welcome. All right, guys. Here is your overall class percentage. About 10 of you guys. It's like going down and down now. Anyways, 10 of you guys gave the right answer. About 18 of you guys going with option A, 7 for option B, and 15 for option C as well. However, the right answer is option number D, guys. That is 0.06 meter, 0.06 kg. How did you come to that conclusion, guys? Let me just show it to you people. So this is what the question is. I'm going to draw out a very rough diagram. So imagine this is the meter scale. All right. They are, first of all, write on the given data. At 70 centimeter mark, which I'm going to take it somewhere over here. This is about 70 centimeter. I'll just take it as 70 centimeter over here. You can balance the scale. And about 94 centimeter, which I'll take it somewhere over here. They have hung a weight which is about 0.05 kg. All right. Now, in the regular sessions, I had told you that the weight of a body in which the mass is uniformly distributed will be in the there's a point on the body called as the center of mass where the mass is said to be concentrated. Now, because it's a uniformly distributed mass, a scale is a uniformly distributed mass body, I can say that the center of gravity and the center of mass will be exactly its geometric center. So if it's a 100-meter long scale, what is the geometric center? 50 meter, or in this case it's 50 centimeter because it's a 100 centimeter long scale. So this would be where the mass would be concentrated. I'll just take it as M1. Because I don't know what the mass is. I have to find out the mass. Now, what is torque? Torque is, or if you talk about this, the moment is what? In this case, if we calculate the moment, it's nothing but force into perpendicular distance. So this is applying a force. Now, in this case, guys, you have to find the distance is taken from the point where it's balanced. So you have to find out this distance. The perpendicular distance is from the center of where it's balanced. Wherever is the fulcrum, that is where you have to, from there you have to take the distance. So for the first one, what is this distance? If it is balanced at 70 centimeter and the weight is kept at 94 centimeter, 94 minus 70 would give you how much? 24 centimeter. So that distance from the point where it's balanced to where the weight is hung is 24 centimeters. Now here, what is this distance from where the center of the mass is and the fulcrum is? That's about 20 centimeter because the center of mass is 50 centimeter. So 70 minus 50 is 20 centimeter. Now put it out on the equation. So you have to calculate what is the mass of the center. So again, if you use the principle of moments at equilibrium, clockwise moment. So basically sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. That is what we saw. Sum of anti-clockwise moment. Yes. What is clockwise moment? This is clockwise moment. So that's about 0.05 into 24 is equal to M1 into 20. So calculate it. So 24 into 5, 5, 4, 20, 0, 5, 2, 10, 12. So that's about 1.2. 1.2 is equal to M1 into 20. So 20 M1. So M1 is equal to 1.2 divided by 20 into 10 into 10, just to make my life easier, or 12 divided by 200. Yeah. So 2, 6, 12, 2. 1 0 2 3 6 2 5 10 0. So 3 by 50. If you divide it, what is the answer, guys? 3 by 50. What is it? Come on, quickly. What is it that you're gonna get? I know, I know. So easy question. No, but many of you guys are still getting it wrong, no? It's an easy question, but still many of you guys are going it wrong. The number of people who are getting the right answer is going down. Why? Anyways, exactly, guys. You'll get a 0.06 kg. That'll be the answer, guys. Very simple, all right? Did everyone understand this? Now, this is very important, guys, because these are the questions that'll be asked as 3 mark and 5 mark questions in your final. So make sure that you practice these kind of questions. It's very easy. You just have to practice a little. That's all, guys. So the right answer would be option number D. That's all. Moving on to the next question. All right, before that, leaderboard. Let's see what it's like. All right, so at the end of that question, oh my God, the 6 of you guys in the top 10 gave the wrong answer. I think there's going to be a big change. Oh, okay. Still the same. Anyways, Ashutosh, followed by Jojo, then it's Sayan, Keshav, Joseph, then it's Naman. Love you guys too. Sahana, Siddhant, Abracadabra, then it's 6379371. Very interesting names and all. Alright, moving on to the next question, guys. Let's take a look at the 4th question. What is it like? Let's see. We have 12 questions, so let's do it as soon as possible. Here's the 4th question, guys. Let's go. A heavy metallic scale of length 1 meter has its center of gravity at 50 centimeter division. It is suspended at a 30 centimeter mark. A load of 60 gram weight has to be tied at a 0 centimeter mark to make it to keep it in equilibrium. Calculate the weight of the scale. Your options are 60 gram weight. Guys, hold on for 1 second. Let me just decrease the size of my screen so that you guys can see the option. Sorry. I know, it's a little weird, but that's how it works. Okay, I can't reduce the size of it for some reason. Wait. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Anyways, I think you guys can see me, but then yeah. Okay. It's hard to work with this thing now. Alright, yes, got it. Alright, so let me know, guys. Come on, 45 seconds. Let's go. Come on. Your options are 60 gram weight, 80 gram weight, 90 gram weight, or 180 gram weight. Your options, again, the question is, it's a 100 centimeter long scale where it is the weight they've already given at the center of mass is at 50 centimeter. It's balanced at 30 centimeter mark, and there's a weight of 60 gram weight, which is kept at 0 centimeter. What is the weight of the scale? Very simple question. Let's go, guys. Yeah, I'm from Palakkad. Yeah. No, not from Palakkad. I'm from Alappuzha. So you look like you're at a barber shop a day. Ayush, seriously? Alright, cool. I wish I could go to a barber shop now. I want to get a haircut badly. Anyways, 3 more seconds, guys. Let's go, people. Let's go. Here is your overall 12, 10, 10, 12. Wow, people. Wow. Pattern and all you guys are following. Anyways, the right answer, guys, would be 90 gram weight. How did you come to that conclusion? Again, let me show it to you, people. So this is the question that is given to you guys. These are the values that is given. So you're supposed to calculate what is the weight of the scale. Very, very simple, guys. Again, sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. So what is the clockwise moment? It's W1, which is the weight of the scale, into what is this distance? It's balanced about this distance. So what is this distance? It's 20 centimeter. So into 20 is equal to what is the anti-clockwise moment, that is W2 is how much? It's 60 gram weight into what is this distance? It's 30 centimeter because they've kept it at 0 centimeter mark itself. So this distance is 30 centimeter into 30. So W1 into 20, 6, 3, 18, 00, W1 is equal to 1800 divided by 20, 00, 29, 18, 90 gram weight. Very simple, guys. That's all. Simple question. Direct answer. We just did it and still you guys got it wrong. Alright, anyways, quickly, guys, all those who are joining right now, please join the Menti meter quickly. www.menti.com. Enter the code 6379371 and you'll be a part of it. Quickly, guys. Anyways, once again, this time Sayan going to the top, followed by Siddhant. Then it's Joseph, Naman, Shushen, Ashutosh, Jojo, Keshav, Sabka, Boss, and Ratnesh. Congratulations, well done. Moving on to the next question, guys. Let's take a look at the 5th question quickly. We are about halfway through. Quickly do it, guys. Here is your 5th question. Let's take a look at this one. Let's see. A uniform meter scale balances at a 40 centimeter mark when weight of 10 grams, 20 grams is suspended from a 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter mark. What is the weight of the scale? Is it 50 grams, 60 grams, 10 grams, or 8 grams? It's a uniform meter scale. there are two, and it's balanced at 40 centimeter mark. There are two weights which is put at 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively, and the weights are 10 grams and 20 grams. Find the weight of the meter scale. Very simple question. Go for it, guys. Let me know what is the answer. The Menti code is 6379371 now. 6379371. Quickly join the Menti meter. Come on. There'll be 16 of you guys here. What is happening? Quickly. www.menti.com and enter the code 6379371. Come on. I know, right, Ayush? Easy peasy, no? Exactly. Yeah. Let's see how many face gets it right. Because yeah, you're saying that the question is easy, but I can't see that in the result. The result is going down only. Alright, let me know what is the answer. Come on, guys. Come on. 22 seconds. Guys, come on. Join the Menti quickly. 6379371 is the code. Quickly join it and let me know what is the answer. Come on. Second, no? Alright, sit down. Alright. Alright, guys. Come on. Let me know what is the answer. I like Justin Bieber. Yeah, I used to once upon a time more. You're always right, Siddharth. Alright, I like the confidence. Alright, 10 more seconds, guys. 10 more seconds. All those who haven't answered it, quickly answer the question. 7 more seconds to go. Come on, guys. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go, people. Let's go. Here is your result. With 10 of you guys once again. What is this? 10 is your lucky number award for ICSE. All the options back to back, 3 questions you give. 10 of you guys have given the right answer. Alright, anyways, the answer to this question is it might be a little confusing, but yeah, I'll tell you the answer for this one, guys. So anyways, imagine there's a meter scale over here. Alright. So there's at 10 centimeter mark, there's a weight of 10 grams, sorry, and at 20 centimeter mark there's another weight of 10 grams put, and the weight is balanced at 40 centimeter. You're supposed to find out what is the weight of the scale. So here's the thing, guys. Calculate clockwise moment into anti-clockwise moment. So 10 into 10, that is it is kept at 10 centimeter mark. This is kept at 20 centimeter mark. So 10 into 10 plus 20 into 20, because it is kept at a distance of 20 centimeter. And apart from that, then weight of the scale is W into the distance from the, okay, and what is the distance? Our distance is nothing but 10 centimeter, because it is kept at 10, the distance is 10 centimeter. So calculate the values, not 10, sorry, it will be 40 centimeter. It'll be 40 centimeter. So it'll be 100 plus, sorry, no. 1 second, guys. The weight of the, okay, it'll be, the uniforms, okay, it'll be 50 centimeter. Alright, it'll be 50, because you're taking the distance from here. Okay, you're just taking the distance for this question. Apparently they take the distance from the starting point, so 10 centimeter, 20 centimeter, and also the weight will be 50 centimeter. Now 1 second. Yeah, 50 centimeter. So that'll be W 50 into W. So it'll be 500 is equal to W into 50. So W is equal to 500 divided by 50. Why 50? Once again, guys, because again the weight of the center of mass is at 50 centimeters, so you can take it as 50. 500 gets cancelled, so 510 you get it as 10 grams. Simple. That's it, guys. That is the answer for this question. It's a little, I know that it's a repetitive question, but yes, like I told you, these are the questions that you can expect over there. So that would be the answer. It'll be 10 grams. How did you find that out? Again, the distance into the weight or the mass in this case, you'll be able to get the answer. Simple. Anyways, so Siddharth once again be getting the right answer, going to the top, followed by Naman, then it's Sayan, Ritik, Jojo, Ashutosh, Joseph, Ratnesh, Susen, and also Shushen, and also Krishna. Congratulations. Well done, people. With that said, moving on to the next question. But before we go to the next question, I have an important thing to ask. Okay, we'll do one more question, then I'll tell you that. Alright, here's the next question, guys. 6th question for the day. We are halfway through, exactly halfway through. Let me know what is the answer for this one. Come on. The 6th question, very simple question, one word answer. Let me know what is the answer. Center of gravity of an object depend on its what? The center of gravity of an object depend on its what? The mass, the weight, the density, or the shape. Guys, come on, quickly join the Menti. It's the code is 6379371. Quickly do it. Come on. Correct answer, no? Yeah, people, that's a very simple question, at all. Yeah, ish. Alright, come on, guys. Quickly let me know what is the answer. You have 10 more seconds. The center of gravity of a body, does it depend on the mass, the weight, the density, or the shape of the object. 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. All right, Dayashankar. Anyways, here is your overall percentage. 14 of you guys, 14 of you guys gave the right answer. Slowly improving from 10 to 14 now. That's good. It's a good sign, positive note. 11 of you guys went with mass, 7 of you guys with weight, and 1 of you with density. But the right answer guys is shape, because if the shape is regular, then you can directly say that the center of gravity is going to be the geometric center. If the shape is irregular, sometimes it can be outside the body as well. So it all depends on the shape of the object. It does not depend on the mass per se, but it mostly depends on the shape of the object. Now, what is center of gravity? The point where the weight is going to be concentrated. The weight of the body is concentrated. That is the center of gravity. That depends on the shape of the object, all right, not on the mass. All right. With that said, guys, now let me just give me 1 more minute, guys. Give me 2 minutes of your time. I have a very important thing to tell you guys, and then we will continue with the rest of the questions. So here's the thing, guys. When we did a survey, when we asked you guys what are the problems that you guys face, especially during this time, especially during this pandemic time, many of you guys told a lot of things. One was that, sir, so my doubts are not getting cleared. Sometimes I have to wait for 24 hours, sometimes 48 hours to get my doubts cleared. The second most important problem was that, sir, I'm not getting the notes. I end up studying from different websites, but then I don't get the notes. Third problem is that, sir, I don't have enough practice questions. I'm not getting enough tests and assignments to practice the questions because I don't want to go sit in the exam hall directly and give the exam. That is another problem that you have. The fourth problem is competitive exams, right? Even though you're preparing for your CBSE boards and ICSE boards also, at the same time, you guys also know that you have to prepare for your ISOs and NSOs and your other competitive exams that you guys are planning to take. So how do I get trained for that? Then apart from that, you also have other important problems, the choice of schedule. So when do I study? I can't always, go to wherever the teacher is teaching. I can't just go at that time because I have other plans during that time. I'll go for maybe other kind of coaching classes or something like that. So a choice of schedule is also a very, very important problem. And finally, guys, the most important reason why this entire channel was created, that is choice of language. Now, here's the thing. At Vedantu, the YouTube channels that we have created is trying to solve these problems to the best of our abilities. But then whatever we do is still like 99% of it. It's 95 to 99%. There is still that 1% bridge that we have to cover up. So here's the thing, guys. We at Vedantu have solved all of these problems, from doubts to notes to tests and assignments to competitive exams to schedule and to the about the choice of your language. So here's the thing, guys. Doubts. First of all, let me just tell you what do I mean by this. So in a class, guys, you have two teachers teaching you guys. I'll be basically imagine that I'm the teacher, you're in my class. I'll be the master teacher. With the master teacher, you'll also have a class teacher who will help you clear your doubts. So whatever doubts you have, you'll be getting personalized attention to make sure that your doubts are cleared in the class itself. And at the end of every class, you can download the notes and go through the notes n number of times, how many ever times that you want. Every month or so, and after every chapter, you'll have tests and assignments to check where you're standing. And whatever tests and assignments you do, you will be getting a detailed report card of that, checking where and all are you going wrong, what are the topics that you have to improve on, and what are the topics that you're good at. Everything, a detailed report card also you'll be getting at the end of every month. You'll be trained for competitive exams for free of cost, and you can choose your own schedule. The classes will be going on 24/7. You can attend n number of classes and choose your own schedule and a choice of your own language. Now here's the thing, guys, we have tried to solve this problem to the best of our abilities. We have for now we are providing Hindi and English medium. I know that many of you guys would like to learn in your regional languages as well, but yeah, we are still working on it. It is still not effective as of now. It's Hindi and English because majority of the country is divided as Hindi and English. Anyways, so people, apart from all of these things, also you'll be getting unlimited live classes. You can choose how many. You can attend 24 live classes also if you want. You can attend so many, how many live classes you want, you can attend all of that. You'll be getting free courses, free micro courses and crash courses for free of cost. And like I told you, you'll get a performance report card and personalized attention, which I told you that you'll be getting a personal teacher or class teacher to help you clear your doubts as well. So what you have to do is this, guys. You have to visit this website, vdnt.in/ytpro. You can quickly take a screenshot of this or note it down somewhere, vdnt.in/ytpro. So as soon as you visit this website, guys, you will be getting this option as first. Like, which grade are you in? Is it, we cater from 1 to 12 grade? Let's say that you're someone who's studying in 10th grade. And we have three syllabuses that we are doing right now. CBSE, ICSE and Maharashtra. We'll be adding more syllabuses as we go ahead. But for now, we have only these three syllabuses: ICSE, CBSE, and Maharashtra. Let's say you're someone from ICSE board or CBSE board. Once you click on that CBSE board, you will get this, whatever all I told you. You'll get all of this. If you want it, you can read it once again, guys. With India's best teachers, unlimited in-class doubt solving, unlimited live class access, everything what I just told you. What you have to do is click on get subscription. So once you click on get subscription, you will get this page where it says 1 month, 3 month, and 6 months. So what are we going to do right now is we'll just look at this. All right. So let's just take a look at it. All right. So let's say that you're taking a 1 month subscription course. All right. 1 month, 30 days subscription. Now, if you take the 1 month subscription, the price of that is 2,699 rupees. The base price is 4,000 rupees, but you'll get an initial discount itself of 2,699 rupees. If you use the coupon code AKPRO, you have to click on enter coupon code. So enter the coupon code AKPRO. If you enter that coupon code, you'll get a 404 rupees discount, and you'll get the price down to 2,294 rupees for 1 month. All right. Let's say that you take a 3 month subscription course. If you take a 3 month subscription course, the base price is 10,000 rupees, but you'll get a basic discount of 6,999 rupees. And if you use the coupon code AKPRO, you'll get the price down to 5,949 rupees for next 3 months. Let's say you take a 6 months course, the base price is 16,000, but you'll get an initial discount of 11,499 rupees. And if you use the coupon code once again, you'll get a price drop of 9,774 rupees. That is what essentially you'll be paying. Now here's the thing, guys. Let's do a little math. All right. So this is the base course of all these packages. 1 month is 2,699, 3 months is 8,097, and 6 months is 16,194 rupees. The base discount you're going to get, the primary discount, this is what you're going to get: 2,699 rupees, 6,999 rupees, and 11,502 rupees without any coupon price, without any coupon code. If you apply this coupon code AKPRO, you'll get it down to 2,299 rupees for 1 month, 5,949 rupees for 3 months, and 9,774 rupees for 6 months. So let's do a little math. Let's say that you're taking six subjects, right? You have 6 subjects. I know in ICSE it's even more, because you have history, and then you have geography, and then civics. History, geography, civics is like 3 different things, and then English itself is English grammar, English literature. I've been through that, so that's how I know that. But anyways, so let's say that you have 6 subjects. That is your science, English, mathematics, and English, and social science. So let's say that you're taking about 8 classes per day. Let's just assume that you're taking about 8 classes per day. Now you can have how many other classes you want. Let's say that you're taking 8 classes per day. Then in a week, that is in 6 days, you would have attended about 48 classes, roughly about 50 classes, to make my life a little bit more easier. Now, 50 classes in a week means in a month, which has 4 weeks, you'll be attending about 200 classes, right? I think that's more than fair that you're attending about 200 classes. Now, what we're gonna do is we'll just calculate how much does it cost for each and every class. All right. So 2,294 rupees divided by 200, 5,949 rupees by 600, because 3 month subscription course, 9,774 rupees divided by 1,200 for 6 months, because every month you're attending 200 classes. That means it's a 6 months course. It'll be 12,000 or 1,200 courses, or 1,200 classes. So if you divide it, guys, each and every class, essentially you'll be paying 11 rupees 47 rupees for your 1 month subscription, 19 rupees for your 19 paise for your 3 month subscription, and 8 rupees 145 paise for your 6 month subscription course. So essentially, the more number of months you take, you're paying lesser for each and every class. In fact, if you look at this price, this is lesser than what you spend for any kind of your, any kind of your 1 second lace, which has 90% air, 10% of lace, the chips. That takes about 5 minutes to finish off. So you're spending so much money on that, and on your classes, you'll be spending pretty much less than that itself. So that is the people. All you have to do is, again, visit the website vdnt.in/ytpro, and you do not forget to use the coupon code AKPRO. As simple as that. All right. With that said, guys, let us get back into the next topic. Right now, we'll get started. I'll just give you 5 seconds. Take a breather. Join back into Menti quickly, guys. Here's the website once again: www.menti.com, 637977371. Quickly join the Menti, because right now we're going to go on to the next question. And this question is based on your chapter machines. So we'll be starting off with this machine chapter now. We have about 6 more questions. Let's quickly do that, and then let's see who's the winner for today. All right. Anyways, at the other question, here's the leaderboard. What is like? Siddhant still leading strong, followed by Sai, then is Joseph, Naman, Sushin, Ashutosh, Keshav, Ritik, Jojo, and also Ratnesh. Congratulations, well done. Moving on to the next question. Here is your Next question. We'll be starting with this machines chapter. The first question of machines chapter. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Come on. Here's the question. The question is, a mechanical advantage, a mechanical system has a velocity ratio of 4 and an efficiency of 90%. Calculate the mechanical advantage of the system. Effort required to raise the load if the load is 300 Newton. If the load is 300 Newton, calculate the effort required. The efficiency is given as 90%. The velocity ratio is given as 4. Calculate what is the mechanical advantage as well as the effort required in terms of Newton. Come on. Your options are 1.25, your mechanical advantage, 72.5 Newton, 3.6 and 83.33 Newton, 4.7 and 83.33 Newton, 3.4 and 50 Newton. What is the answer, guys? 1 minute. Let's go, guys. Hi, Aditya. What's up, buddy? How are you doing? Sorry, I haven't seen. So how does all questions ready to talk? It's Manoj. It's very simple. There's only two formulas that you have to remember. Torque is force into perpendicular distance, and the next formula is the principle of moments formula. That is, the sum of clockwise moment is equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. Majority of the questions will be asked based on that. Please go through the videos. I've done, there are 4 different sessions that we've done for this. Go through the videos. Trust me, it'll help you out, alright? If in case you still have more doubts, I've also given you my personal email ID towards the end of every class. Note down that and let me know what your doubts. Send us an email. I'll try to answer it, alright? So don't worry. Anyways, go for it, guys. Hi, Keshav. Shout out to you. Come on. I know, right? Exactly. Go on, guys. Okay. Guys, quickly join Menti 6379371. What is happening? Come on. Okay, we have 20 minutes left. Let's quickly do it, guys. Let's go. I also have to take up your doubts as well. So I hope we'll have enough time. 30 of you guys. That is an amazing number, guys. Good start. Exactly correct. The right answer is option number B. Let me show you the leaderboard first and then show you how to solve this question. But nonetheless, Siddhant, what happened, huh? So much confidence in all you told. You never go wrong. Just kidding, buddy. It's all right. We all make mistakes. Anyway, sign, follow us. That is Joseph, Sushen, Keshav, Ashutosh, Jojo, Ritik, Naman, and also Ratnesh. Well done, people. I don't see much change in the names. It's like, it's very consistent. All of you guys are performing really well. So anyways, guys, let me show you this question. How do you solve this? First of all, velocity ratio is given as 4. Efficiency is given as 90. Alright, find out the mechanical advantage. Now, the formula for efficiency is this, guys. Mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100%. This is the formula for efficiency. Efficiency is already given as 90%, so I'll just divide it by 100. I'll get a 0.9. So 90 divided by 100, because I don't want it in percentage, so I'll just divide it by 100. I'll get a 0.9. Mechanical advantage, I don't know. What is velocity ratio? This is given as 4. I'll take 4 to the other side. So mechanical advantage is equal to 0.9 into 4. How much is that? 36. So it'll be 3.6 would be your mechanical advantage. As simple as that. Remember this formula of efficiency. 3 formulas of this chapter, guys, that you have to remember. Mechanical advantages, load by effort. Velocity ratio is distance moved by effort divided by distance moved by the load. And efficiency, which is mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100. That's all. These are the 3 important formulas. All right. Now that you found out what is the mechanical advantage, find out what is the effort given. I'll just show you how to do it. What is the formula for mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage is load by effort. Load is given as 300 newtons, and mechanical advantage how much is 3.6. So effort is equal to how much? 300 divided by 3.6. I'll just multiply with 10 and 10. So I'll get as 3000 divided by 360. 36, sorry. 360. It's a day. Such silly mistakes and all. Alright. So now 21, 28, 16, 21, 25, 0, 0, 29, 18, 27, 14, 0, 0. Yeah. 3, okay, 9. Alright, 3. Can I divide by 3? I think I can. Alright, wait. Yeah, 3, 3 is 9. Alright. 3, 1, 3. 3. Okay. Guys, did I make any mistake in calculation? 3600 divided by 36. Did I make any calculation mistake? Am I right? Or am I going wrong somewhere? You have to help me out. You have to help me out with this calculation part. I make a lot of silly mistakes like this. Yeah. Me and math are not just good, not good friends. We are born enemies. Alright. 83.33, everyone got the same? Okay, so it'll be 750, is it? Okay. Oh yeah, exactly. It'll be 750. No, that's where I made mistake. Is it? So it'll be not 700, it'll be 750. That's my fault. Exactly. So you'll get it as 83.33 Newton. Simple, guys. That's it. All right. Sorry about the calculation, but yes, guys, that is what you're gonna get. So your option number B would be the right answer for this case, guys. Because why? They have given you the mechanical advantage. As if you look at the option number B, you'll get it as 3.6 and 83.33 Newton would be the effort as well. Simple as that. Moving on to the next question, guys. Let's take a look at the 8th question for the day. Let's go. We have only 15 minutes. Let's quickly do it. Let's do it. All right. A machine is driven by 100 kg mass that falls 8 meters in 4 seconds. It lifts a load of mass 5 kg vertically upwards. Calculate the input power and the power output of the machine if the efficiency of the machine is 60%. Now, I know that this question is a little hard. Trust me, this it's not hard. It requires a little extra thinking. It requires you to think a little bit extra, go the extra mile, and actually find out the answer for this one. The question is actually pretty simple. The calculation is pretty simple. Just that you will do a little bit of extra work. Try to do this question. If you're not able to do it, no worries, no harm done. I'll tell you the answer, right? But nonetheless, guys, quickly join Menti 6379371. Quickly join Menti, people. What is happening? Come on, 16 of you guys. Where's the rest of the gang? All of you guys are like answering only in the chat box or what? Quickly, come on. Come on, people, come on. Thank you, Siddhant. Thank you. It'll be 7:50. No, yeah, I made that mistake over there. I corrected it, no? Yeah. Come on, guys, come on, quickly. 20 of you guys have joined. Quickly, let me know what is the answer. Quickly, come on. All right, okay. 24 seconds left. Let's go, people. Your options are input power is 200 watt and output power is 1200 watt, 1200 watt and 1200 watt, 1800 watt and 1200 watt, 1200 watt and 2000 watt. What are your right answer? Try out this question. It's okay to get it wrong because this is a little, I know it's a little what to say, it's a little not complicated, requires a little extra thinking. All right, anyways, 16 of you guys did manage to give the right answer. I'm proud of you people. I thought many of you guys might go wrong. Absolutely nailed it. Overall, that is a very good percentage. Let's see what is the leaderboard like. Did anyone in the top 10? Siddhant ji got it wrong, and Ashutosh ji and Ritvik and Ritik and Naman also chose the wrong answer. Is there going to be a change? Yes, there is. Joseph gets the first, followed by Sai, and then it's Susen, Keshav, Siddhant, Jojo, Ashutosh, Ritik, Shizuka, and also Naman. Congratulations, well done. Let's take a look at how we do this particular question, guys. So here are your given data, alright? So the machine is driven by a mass of 100 kg. It falls from a height of 8 meters in 4 seconds. Now there are two methods to do it. I'm going to choose the simpler one, but there's another method to do it. If you want, I'll just tell you in general, but we'll not have enough time to show it. But I'll just tell you in general. The first method is this, guys. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to find out what is the force exerted by this 100 kg mass. So how will I calculate that? Force is equal to mass into acceleration to gravity. Because what is the force exerted by that? It's nothing but the weight itself. So acceleration due to gravity, I'll take it as 10 to make my life a little easier. I'll take it as 10 meters per second square. You can take it as 9.8, absolutely fine. I'll take it as 10 to make my life easier. So 100 into 10, that gives me 1000 Newton. That is the force exerted by this 100 kg weight. Now, find out what they've given you, that the mass falls by, it falls at 8 meters in 4 seconds. So first thing, guys, if you remember the work done formula, work done is what? Work done is force into what? The displacement. Force into displacement. Alright. Now, force is 1000 Newton. Displacement is how much? 8 meters. It's falling down by 8 meters. So displacement is 8 meters. So how much is the work done? 8000 joules. Simple. You got the work done as 8000 joules. Now, using this, find out the input in the input power. How do you find out the input power? Input power would be what? The formula of power is what? Power is nothing but work done per unit time. So work done divided by time taken is nothing but the input power. So the total work done is 8000 joules divided by the time taken is 4 seconds. How much will that be? 248,000 2 2s are 4. That will give you 2000 watt. 2000 watt is the input power. Now to calculate the output power. Now, here's the thing, guys. The formula of efficiency is nothing but what? Output power divided by input power. Output is the efficiency is how much? 0.6. 60 divided by 10, and output is, I'll take it as x for now, just to, just because it's an unknown value. And input is how much? 2000 Newton, 2000 watts, sorry. Take this to the other side. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. Take this to the other side. It went to the next page. So 2000 into 0.6, 6 to 18. So 1800 watt would be the answer. Simple. Did you guys get it? Give me a quick yes in the chat box, people. Did you guys get it? Yes or no? So that is the answer, guys. The right answer would be 1200 watt would be the output power, and the input power is 2000 watt. Now, this is one of the simpler methods. Or what you can do is that you can use the third equation of motion, that is v square is equal to u square plus 2gh, while a formula, find out the velocity of the object, and use this to find out, from this you can find out the power as well. So you can use the formula, power, and find out like that. Also using the velocity as well, you can find it out. But again, this is the most simpler method. I would suggest you to go with this. It's much more simpler. There's not much calculation involved, and it's direct answer. Simple as that. Alright guys, so that will be the answer for this question. 2000 watt and 1200 watt. Very simple, guys. Next question. Not enough time, people. 10 more seconds. Let's go. 10 more minutes. Let's go. We'll do 2 more questions and then I'll take up your doubts, guys. I'll not go all 12 questions because there's not enough time. Here's the question. A single fixed pulley and a movable pulley, both are separately used to lift a load of 100 kgf to the same height. Compare the effort applied. 1:2 ratio, 2:1, 1:3, or 3:1. Quickly, guys. Come on. 2 minutes time. Sorry, 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's go. Kabhi Kanpur, yeah, for sure. If I come there, I'll give you a call. Don't worry. Yes, Keshav. Me and Abhi sir were in the same batch. We were benchmates. We're not batchmates. We were benchmates. We were sitting in the same bench also. Hi Krishna, what's up, buddy? How you doing? All good? Alright, guys, let me know what is the answer. So you're lifting up a weight of 100 kgf. You're lifting up a load of 100 kgf. Using a single fixed pulley and a movable pulley, you're supposed to find out what is the effort applied in, what is the, if you were to compare the effort applied, what would be the answer? 1:2, 2:1, 1:3, or 3:1. You have 46 seconds. 1 second, guys. The code for Menti quiz is 6379371. Quickly join it. Come on, guys. Come on, quickly. 35 seconds. High five to you, to Manoj. Is it that? Don't worry, you're doing good. Don't worry about all of that. We all make mistakes. Even I make silly mistakes. So how does it matter? It's okay. You just have to learn from your mistakes. I'm from Bangalore, Danitya. Bangalore, Karnataka, South India. Jai Karnataka. Just kidding, guys. 12 more seconds. Let's go. Hi, Diya Shankar. How you doing, buddy? Come on, guys. 3 more seconds, 2 and 1. Let's go, people. Let's go. How many of you guys gave the right answer? 15 of you guys. Confusion. I knew that there'll be a confusion, but nonetheless, slightly a good majority of you guys gave the right answer. And the right answer is actually option number B, guys. Why is option number B the right answer? Is because of the fact that, so guys, if you remember, in a single fixed pulley, effort is equal to load. Because it does not act as a force multiplier. It is just for the convenience and direction. Whereas if you talk about a single movable pulley, effort is half that of the load, L/2. So if the load is 100 kgf for the first one, it's single fixed pulley, effort will also be the same. For the second one, how much will be? 100 divided by 2, 50 kgf will be the effort, because it's a force multiplier, right? Now that you know this, find out the ratio. Let's take this as the fixed pulley. I'll write it as EF, and I'll take this as EM, mobile pulley. So EF divided by EM to find out the ratio, 100 divided by 50, 5 to 2:1. Simple. It's okay, guys. It's a very slight mistake. It's alright, but nonetheless, that is the right way to do it. Alright. Next question, people. Here's the leaderboard, by the way. Forgot about it. I forget about leaderboard every single time now. Anyways, here's the leaderboard, guys. Let's see. Is there going to be any? Okay, Cyan goes to the first. Back on the first, followed by Joseph. Then it's Keshav, Suzanne, Jojo, Siddhant, Ashutosh, Ritik, Ratnesh, and also Sana. Well done, people. Moving on to the next question for the day. The 10th question. We have only 5 minutes left. Let's do it. Here's the 10th question, guys. A pulley system has 3 pulleys. A load of 120 Newton is overcome by applying an effort of 50 Newton. Calculate the mechanical advantage and the efficiency of the system. 3.5, 90%, 2.4, 80%, 2.4, 70%, and 3.5, 60%. You have 1 minute, 20 seconds. Let's go, guys. Come on. Oh, is it? Nitika, don't worry. I'll tell you that again. Let me know, guys. Come on. All right, I'm hoping that your doubts are getting cleared. Is there if there's any doubt, please let me know, guys. I'll try to clear it as we are doing the questions. I can take the time to clear your doubts as well. So yes, people, a pulley system has three pulleys. A load of 120 Newton is applied to, or it has to be overcome by applying a force of 50 Newton. Calculate the mechanical advantage and the efficiency of the particular machine. Hope it's B. All right. Thank you, Anurag. Welcome, buddy. What is the answer, sir? It's oh, yeah, cheating, huh? Cheating, Abhiraj. Cheating. You're asking the invigilator to tell what the answer is. All right. 35 seconds left. Let's go, people. Come on. C, everyone. All right, all right. Let's see. Let's see if C is the right answer. All right, go for it, guys. 25 seconds left. 30.5 is the mechanical advantage. 30% efficient, 90% efficiency. 2.4 mechanical advantage, 80% efficiency. 2.4 and 70, 3.5 and 60. Thank you, Manoj. Thanks a lot, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Thanks a lot. Much appreciated. All right, guys. 6 more seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks a lot for that, guys. Beautifully done. Let's take a look at the overall percentage and let's see how many of us. 21 of you guys went with the right answer. Beautifully done, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Much better. Well done overall. Here's the leaderboard once again. Is there going to be a change? I don't think so. Everyone in the top 10 gave the right answer. Hats off, people. Beautifully done. And Joseph and Cyan, full back and forth they're going. Joseph followed by Cyan, then it's Keshav, Suzanne. Then we have Siddhant, Jojo, Ritik, Ashutosh, Sahana, and Ratnesh. Congratulations, well done. So how do you solve this very simple question, guys? So first of all, they've given you the load as 120 Newton. They've given you the effort as 50 Newton. What is mechanical advantage formula? Load by effort, L by E. Load is 120 divided by 50, 0 gets cancelled, 5 to 10. 5 to 10, 2.4 would be the mechanical advantage. Very simple. Efficiency of the machine. See, here's the thing, guys. To calculate the efficiency of the machine, what you can do is efficiency is nothing but what mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio into 100. Now, the thing is this, guys. See, there are 3 pulleys given. All right. Now, we are going to assume that it's a block and tackle system. We're going to assume that it's a block and tackle system. And in a block and tackle system, the velocity ratio is equal to the number of pulleys. And the number of pulleys over here is 3. So we are assuming it's a block and tackle system. That's why the velocity ratio would be 3. Why? Because there are 3 pulleys in this particular system. So now put it on the equation. 2.4 divided by 3 into 100. So it will be 240 divided by 3. 3824 0. So it will be 80%. Simple. That is the answer for this question. It's very simple. You just have to assume that one particular part. If you assume that, then you guys have done superbly well. All right. Next question, guys. Let's do the last couple of questions. 3 minutes left. Let's do it. Here is your 11th question, guys. Come on. What is the question? A block and tackle system of pulley has a velocity ratio of 4. What is the value of mechanical advantage of the pulley system if it is an ideal pulley system? Now, it's a block and tackle system with velocity ratio 4. What is the mechanical advantage if it is an ideal pulley system? Direct answer. You don't have to think about it. Direct answer. 2, 4, 3 or 6. Let's go, people. Very simple question. Once again, the Menti code is 6379371. Visit the website www.menti.com to take part in the quiz and enter the code 6379371. Guys, quickly do it. Let's go, guys. Come on. All right, come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go, people. I joined about 2 years back now. It's been about 2 years now. It's been about 2 years. Come on, guys. 40 seconds left. I don't think this requires a lot of time. Can we move ahead? I'll just give you another 10 more seconds and move ahead with the answer because it's a very simple question, very straightforward. I don't think 1 minute is needed for this. So let's go ahead. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ending the quiz right now, guys. Let's take a look at the overall. Look at the leaderboard. Here is the leaderboard. Joseph unfortunately chose the wrong answer, but everyone else, Cyan, Keshav, Kusen, Siddhant, Jojo, Ritik, Ashutosh, Ratnesh, and also Krishna gave the right answer. Keshav beating Cyan came to the first. That is the change that you have seen right now. Well done, people. Well done, Keshav. Moving on to this question, guys. It's a direct answer. It's a block and tackle system. And in a block and tackle system, guys, mechanical advantage is equal to N. Velocity ratio is also equal to N. What does that mean? N is the number of pulleys. So if the velocity ratio is 4, then the mechanical advantage would also be equal to 4. Because velocity ratio is 4, that means there are 4 number of pulleys in that. So the mechanical advantage would also be equal to 4 without a doubt. So in an ideal pulley system, again, it's an ideal pulley system and a block and tackle system, There the mechanical advantage is for n, so you can just directly write as 4. No, you don't have to think also. Direct answer it is. Alright. Last question, guys. The last question. Let's go. Let's see if the first position is going to change. It has changed so many times right now. It's like an MLA seat right now. Let's go. Last question, guys. A pulley system has a velocity ratio 3. Draw the diagram showing the points of application of direction of the load L, E, and tension. If it lifts the load of 150 Newton by an effort of 60 Newton, calculate its mechanical advantage as well. 2, 2.5, 3, or 3.5. Very simple question. I don't think there's going to be any question more simpler than this. Alright? 2, 2.5, 3, or 3.5. You have to find out what is the mechanical advantage, and you have to, unfortunately, you can't show the diagram and show the tension and everything. I'll show that for you guys. But calculate the mechanical advantage and tell me what is the answer. 2, 2.5, 3, or 3.5. Let's go, guys. Come on. Alright, Daishank. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What about all the others? Let's see. Let's see. Alright, people. Thank you. Thank. Let's go. Hi. Okay, Cyan is Daishankar. Alright. Why two different names? Why two different dates? You're like trying to confuse me or what? I can't remember one name properly. There are about 30 of you guys have already answered. So I'm guessing around 30, 40. Let's see. Alright, 20 more seconds. Quickly, guys. Last question. Let's see if it's going to change or not. Yes, sir. Day. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. All those who haven't answered it, quickly answer the question. Come on, guys. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Here we go. The final question, and 22 of you guys gave the right answer for this. That is a beautiful looking end, guys. Absolutely correct. The right answer is option number B, that is 2.5. And is there going to be a change in the leaderboard? Unfortunately for the last question, Susan and Siddharth, who are consistently performing well, gave the wrong answer. Keshav beating everyone for today. Congratulations, buddy. Followed by Sai, then it's Jojo, then it's I think it's Joseph, then it's Grover, Siddhant, Krishna, Ashutosh, Sohan, and also Naman. Congratulations. Well done. Superbly well done. Congratulations, Keshav. Well done, buddy. Hats off. So yeah, guys, the answer to this question, let me just quickly take you through the answer for this one. So however, this would be the tension, this would be the tension, this would be the tension on this cable, and the tension would be over here as well. Effort, this would be the effort. This is the load, which is already given. So mechanical advantage is now what? Load by effort. Load is given as 150 Newton divided by the effort, 60 Newton, 0 gets cancelled. 326, 3, 5, 15, 224, 2.5 would be the answer. Very simple question, guys. So the mechanical advantage is 2.5 would be the answer. That's it, guys. So that is it from my side. I hope you guys learned something new out of today's session. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you guys enjoy today's session? Give me an OA in the chat box, people. If you did, give me a quick OA. Come on. If you did not, it's all right. It's okay, sir. No, sir. You know, sir. Anyways, if you did enjoy today's session, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you're aware of what more videos that comes out in the future. And yes, guys, if you have any doubts, go through the videos first. If in case you want to reach out to me personally, you can also reach out to me at anoop.manoharan@vidantu.com. Alright. So if you have any doubts, you can reach out to me personally on that. Thank you for joining, guys. See you all in the next one. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you for being honest. Thank you, all of you guys. Thank you all. See you all in the next one, guys. See you all in the next session. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye for today. Thank you. See you all. Bye guys. Take care. Bye.